Hello, students. First of all, happy CA day. And I hope you all are well and you all are, taking care of your health, your family health. So, this video we are recording to give you some motivation and the purpose also. So, guys, let's welcome to Varun sir, who is a very good motivator. Yeah, welcome Varun sir.
Welcome, Nirav sir. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too, sir. Thank you. So today is Chartered Accountant Day.
Yes.
So I just thought that we should have a word with our students who are Chartered Accountant aspirant. They want to become a Chartered Accountant. So I just thought that you would be the best person who can guide them on how they can become a CA. So, sir, if you could please guide them and what are the things that are important and what is the roadmap to become a CA?
Yes. See, exactly. One thing I want to tell you, first of all, that the student should know the purpose, that why they have joined the CA course. See, the purpose can be, anything. The purpose can be like, if a commerce student or a science student, anyone can do CA. Okay. Nowadays, even science students are doing CA. So they should know the purpose, that why they are doing this CA, and they have to fulfill their purpose.
Correct.
Ultimately, see, some people are doing CA to support their family earnings. Some people are doing CA because the accountancy is their core. Some
Correct.
people are doing CA because they know this is the only course in entire India where investment is less, but earnings is more.
Correct. Correct. And
So,
they play
guys,
a very important role.
yeah. So, very important that remember the purpose, that why you have registered yourself for CA.
Hmm.
Remember the excitement. You know what is excitement? Like, suppose if today you have registered your course and you are going to ICAI Bhavan, that ICAI center, to take your books. The
Mhm.
first day you are going, it it, it is like
Yeah.
awesome
Yeah. It
experience.
gives you a lot of excitement. Yeah.
Yes. It will give a very good excitement. And also one thing I want to share with you, like you are taking, imagine that you went to ICI, you are taking that books, which is
Correct. Yes.
approximately,
In
10
kgs.
to 20, yeah, 10 to 20 books. Yes, in KG when we were kids, like we would get any new books, so we were like full of excitement and joy, like
Yes.
I will study this and I will do that. So remember that excitement, guys. Remember that excitement, that you have registered this course to achieve something. So don't
Correct.
forget that excitement.
Yes.
Second, very important is that persistence is the key. Now, for that, what I want to tell you is that, see, you need to be throughout. See, one day you will work hard, and second, third day, if you will not work hard, you will be out of the competition.
Correct.
Like a person who is doing job, if he will just work one day out of 30, the boss will not give 30 days salary. the boss will
Yes.
only give
Exactly.
the boss will only give one day salary. He has to perform, whether it is business, whether it is job, he has to perform. So
Performance
guys,
is the key.
yes. So guys, what I will suggest you, sometimes what happen, because of all these videos, motivational videos, because of, uh, you go here and there and you see other students are also studying, you attend seminar, webinars, etc. So you get that ignition, but that ignition is only for one day or 2 day.
Yeah.
That is not required
That
at all.
doesn't last long. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, I will share you an example of Olympic example. Olympic comes one time in 5 years. Okay. So the person who is like taking part in this Olympic game, okay, the athlete, those who are taking part in this Olympic game, they are preparing their game much before that 5 years, and they are waiting
Yes.
for the
Yes.
5 years to perform.
Yes. They wait
They're,
for their opportunity. Yes.
yes. They wait for this particular thing to come and to perform and to get the reward. See, guys, very important. First, they are waiting for the opportunity. Okay. Then they are performing also.
Hmm.
And guys, then they're getting reward also.
Correct.
So this is what I want, guys, that you just remember the purpose, that why you have done the CA course. Second, you remember that excitement when you have enrolled the course, when you have started studying the new books, you have started attending the lecture. Imagine
Yes.
how much money you have spent till now for doing this course.
Correct.
And you know
Correct.
what? By passing it, just hardly 1 month, 2 month, maximum 3 months, you will recover all your investment till now, what you have made
Yes.
for this particular CA.
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
And the third is that, as already I told, performance and persistence is the key. So don't just
Hmm.
perform, 1 day, 2 day. No, you have to perform continuously. You require a stability strategy, guys. In SM, you all know there's a strategy called stability strategy. So
Correct. Correct.
you have to perform that. And last, like I have told you an example about this Olympic. So guys, you know what I want to tell you, that this all thing is definitely required. So becoming a CA is not just, one night work that you have done it and you
Yes.
become CA. No, it
Correct.
is, yes, it is not your like commerce exam, become exam, that like I know in my commerce exam, Varun sir, like suppose for example tomorrow is my exam. So what I will do, I
Mm-hmm.
will go to college library, I will take the papers, I will xerox it, and I will study only that particular question. And I go and I
Yes.
write, I get out of 100, I get 35, 40, and I was happy, chalo, pass ho gaya.
Yes. At least I got passed. Yes.
Yeah. But in CA, there is no such library. There are past papers available, but it is not compulsory that the paper will come from that particular past papers. They can ask anything, everything. So, guys,
Correct.
and
Correct.
it is good, and it is good. They are actually making the student aware that in
Hmm.
this situation also we can ask anything, and we can ask everything. So
Correct.
if you are a professional course, why CA is called a professional course? So you need to behave little professionally. First, you bring discipline in you. Then I am telling you, the course will give you everything.
Correct. First, you need to give it to the coach. It works in the same way for each and every field. For even
Yeah.
for cricketer or footballer, first they practice, then they perform at the highest level, then success, fame, and money follows them. So
Yeah.
even here, it is same. First, you give your efforts, then CA would automatically give everything back to you. But
Yes. Yes.
first,
Yes.
it requires efforts. And also, I have seen one thing that is, I don't blame students for it because I understand that there is no one to explain them what is right, what is wrong. But I just want to focus on one thing, that they get very disheartened by the results. They just calculate the efforts by the result that they get. Sometimes what happens is they get 59 marks or 49 marks, so they understand, oh shit, just because of 1 mark I got failed, or I did not get exemption. Sorry, 39 marks I did not get exemption,
Yeah.
etc., etc. So they define that, oh, I did not study properly. They get demotivated. They think I don't want to do CA. I want to quit CA. But what they don't focus is on is the process. It's
Yes. Yes.
always the process that is in your control, but not the result. See,
Yes.
you
Of
can't
course.
control.
Yes. See, by this I want to tell you. Have you seen the last cricket match of World Cup, England versus New Zealand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In that cricket match, everyone have done their job properly,
Yes, all 22
including,
players did their
yeah,
work.
including the fielder, the wicket keeper, the batsman, everyone.
Everyone. Yes,
But
yes,
guys, unfortunately, the result went like England won the match, and it is just because of
yes,
the overthrow or something error in the umpire's call or etc. So, guys,
yes,
you give your best. You give your best. God will see the rest, but at least you give your best. So,
yes.
like,
At least control whatever you can control.
yes. At least that, as you told, sir, that process is in our hand.
Yes, result is
Process
not
is
in
in
our
our
hand.
end. Yeah, result is not in our end. Result, yes. If you make your better process as compared to other students, or as compared to like
The
what I
previous
need to
attempt,
achieve.
if we
Yeah.
compare to our the previous attempt process, we compare it to this process, we modify it, we make it more better. Results would be better.
Yes. Of course. So I will just tell you one thing, guys, that you got to have the right mentality to become a CA. So
Correct.
you cannot pass CA with the mentality like you was having in the commerce or become exam, that I will just study one night and I will pass. No,
Yes.
it requires a maturity, dedication, and lot of efforts to pass this
Correct.
CA exam. Because sir, you know what? I am in teaching fields in last 10 years, and I am
Correct.
observing that many students are they are just working hard, they are traveling, they are means staying away from their family, hostel, etc., to do this course. And
Hmm.
ultimately, after reaching, like there is 1 to 100 meter race, so after reaching up till 99 meter, then they are
Yeah,
thinking, yeah, now we are down. So
they
guys, it
quit.
is not down. Yes, 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 it is not down. See, a spring comes down, then only it will go up.
Correct.
So it is like this. You are a spring. So when you come down, that means you are preparing to go more higher. So
Yes.
guys, I will just tell this much, and always remember one last point I want to tell. You would be shaping the Indian economy, guys. So you
Yes.
have
Very
to
good.
eligible for that. And in order to get this eligibility, remember the purpose, remember the excitement, remember the persistence, and remember the example which I have told you. Overnight success, out of 100, 2%, 3% people get it. But
Yes.
guys, that success is not long lasting or forever.
Because see, for example, just if I was to give an example of it, assume that even you are giving CA exam, even I am giving CA exam. You are studying very hard, and then you are giving exams, but still for some reason you were not able to clear it. But I just got lucky and I cleared the exam. I got a job in a good company, but end of the day, what would happen? Would I be able to manage the accounts of that company? Would I be able to give justice? I won't be able to manage the workload. I won't be able to give results that they are expecting out of me. Why? Because I just got lucky, and luck doesn't always last. It would somewhere it would end. So the hard work that you do, the efforts that you put in, that would stay with you, but not the luck.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, like it is like a lottery ticket. Every day I cannot win in
Yes.
lottery. Yeah,
Correct,
yeah.
correct, 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 correct. So
Okay.
yeah, so by that we would end this webinar. I know this is a very short webinar, but we just wanted to pass one message right from the heart of our heart to you, that remember, it's always the prefix that you had worked for. You wanted to become a CA, you wanted to have the prefix of CAXYZ besides your name. That's why you did this. The journey is always going to be difficult, but the goal, the destination, when you reach there, it is going to be amazing. So always
Yeah,
remember the purpose, and your parents and everyone who have invested a lot in you, they have given a lot of sacrifices. So
yeah.
just work hard for them.
And one more thing, sir, last part, I will conclude it. See, guys, two things is very important. One is persistence and one is practice.
Correct.
Okay. Practice, persistence, I already told you that one day success or one night overnight success is not good enough
Not that.
to become a CA. Now for
Correct.
practice, exact meaning of practice is what, guys, I'm telling you. Just give me a moment. Say, for example, in your accounts lecture, the teacher is teaching you, 5 sums or 10 sum per day. And then what he will tell you, he will give you one sum for your practice purpose. So what you do in accounts, you just do one sum for practice purpose to know yourself whether
Hmm.
you can do this sum or not.
Correct.
Guys, same thing is required before your ICI exam. You require a practice, and that
Correct.
practice can be in the form of any test series. This practice can be in the form of any question answer session. Means
Correct.
you have to evaluate yourself before ICI evaluates you. Remember this thing.
Yeah,
You have to
yeah, yeah.
evaluate yourself before ICI evaluates you. So, guys,
Correct.
in our next webinar, we will be coming up with the important term practice. How
Correct.
you
We would
can
be discussing
practice.
that in
Yes,
detail. Correct.
yes, yes. How you can practice and how you can get good marks. Not only in CA field, guys. Practice is required in every field. Like as a teacher, every day I take lecture, that is a practice. As a
Hmm.
doctor, every day he is attending the customers, that is a practice.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is a practice, guys.
Practice is
So
everything, basically. Yes.
yeah, practice, yeah, make you perfect, guys. So I will tell you just one thing, guys. We are coming with our next webinar with the term called practice, and just be focused on that. You will achieve the target. This is just I want to tell you. Okay,
Correct.
guys.
Correct. Correct. So with that, we would end this webinar. Thanks a lot for taking time to watch this. And we are also running a free Telegram channel where we
Yes.
share a lot of free resources. We give updates. We simplify the terms. like whatever ICI gives notice, we make a video in a simplified language and share it with you. So there is a lot of good things that we do over there. The link would be in the description. Make sure that you join that Telegram channel. You would be getting a lot of benefit out of it. So till then, goodbye. We would see you soon. Thank you, Nirav sir, for your time.
Yeah. Bye, sir. Take care, and take care, students also. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.